How to set a Venmo account. First, you want to simply download and install the Venmo application, and you want to simply open the app. Once you open the app, instantly you'd be able to see a page which will look something like this. This will be our sign up page. If you already have a Venmo account, you want to simply type it out your email, username or mobile number over here, and password over here. After that, if you simply tap on sign in, you'd be able to sign in into your account, as simple as that. However, if you have an account with your Apple account, your Google account, your Facebook account, or with your phone number as well, you'd be able to continue with all of these options over here. And if you don't even have an account, you'd be able to create one as well. From here, you want to simply tap on this sign up option, and you'd be able to enter your personal information and create a password. By doing so, you'd be able to verify your phone number and email address, and you'd be able to link a bank account or debit card to complete your setup as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.